Hello everyone, this is Explore Vocabulary. Here we are going to learn every day 5 new words. Like and subscribe to this channel. Today we are going to learn some business English vocabulary. The first term we use business plan. A business plan is, as the name suggests, a document used to outline plans for a business, setting out growth goals for the next 3 to 5 years. Business plan helps us to identify information needed to achieve goals. Examples like target market, unique selling points, marketing goal, and so on. It might also outline strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. In short, SWOT. Startup. The term startup is used to describe a brand new business. The term has connotation of entrepreneurship, and the implication is often that the company will grow significantly in size. A startup is a company that's in the initial stages of business. It's often associated with the tech industry because the term was used extensively during the dot-com boom, but it can apply to any new business. Startups are typically thought of as forward thinking. Trademark. The noun trademark refers to an official registered name, symbol, or logo used to represent a product or firm. The McDonald's famous M-shaped arch is a trademark that is recognized all over the world. Agenda. A list of items to be discussed at a formal meeting. The agenda indicates what will be done at the meeting. Also, it makes sure that meeting stays on track. Without an agenda, a meeting can rapidly become chaotic and important business may not be completed. Agendas are used to organize meetings, keep track of old and new content, gives a time frame for what items are to be discussed, and also provides a clear understanding of a common goal for the participants. Forecast. Just as weather forecast predicts what the weather's going to be doing, so a business forecast predicts various aspects of a business future movement based on its current situation, external factors, new products, plans for marketing, and such like. Forecasting is a technique that uses historical data as inputs to make informed estimates that are in determining the direction of future trends. The types of business forecast include sales, profit and loss, and cash flow, and it helps the business owners to predict whether they are likely to run out of money. And businesses utilize forecasting to determine how to allocate their budgets or plans for anticipated expenses for an upcoming period of time. Minutes. The minutes of meeting are notes taken during the meeting to record what was said, what was agreed, and to assign actions to individuals whose responsibility it will be to complete them. Minutes of meeting serve as an outline, a written record for anyone unable to attend, and to use for future reference. Minutes document what happened and what decisions were made. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and keep watching Explore Vocab.